Hello, I'm Suzanne MacDonald from Boatshed Medway. Today I'm having a look at this Bavaria 46 Holiday. She is a 1996 model and they've got quite a heavy build. We're going to have a look at the interior. Starting on the starboard side, here we have the nav station. It's got lots and lots of equipment on her. There's your electronics panel, storage and a navigation seat. Here again on the starboard side we've got a very good sized saloon area. Lots and lots of stowage. Well, the batteries under this seat here. And to the port side we have the galley. You'll be able to have a look at a lot of still shots on the website www.boatshedmedway.com. Here is a deep fridge and we have a cooker here. I think she's got a grill oven and 2 burner. Double sink. There's your cabin sole. This is quite a useful little area here. The way she's laid out, she's got 4 cabins and a saloon. We've got our heads for the forward cabins. Could do with a little bit of TLC. You get the general idea. On the starboard side, I have a double cabin forward with hatch and stowage. And repeated on the port side we have another double cabin, interestingly with another berth above, so for those of you like a bit of cruising either with friends or a bit of cruiser racing, there's plenty of space to accommodate everybody. More stowage there. We work our way aft. Very beamy, very spacious vessel, as you'll be able to see. And we're moving forwards, and we have second heads here with dedicated shower, wash hand basin and sea toilet. And then we're looking aft on the port side. A very generous sized double again. Window there for light and ventilation. Here we have the engine bay behind the steps. You'll be able to have a look on the still shots for that. And blow up toy not included, but here we have the second ample aft cabin on the starboard side. Again, with light and ventilation and plenty of stowage. If you'd like to come and have a look at this Bavaria 46 Holiday, then please do get in contact. Have a look on our website www.boatshedmedway.com or give us a call 07940 583 396. Thank you for watching.